If you're unable to find your bank in Plaid to set up your direct deposit, you can manually link your bank account numbers to set it up. To do this, click the Direct Deposit tab on your MyCast&Crew dashboard. Click Get Started or Add Account. A security prompt will show asking you to verify your identity to authorize the change. Enter your password to authorize. The system will redirect you to Plaid, a secure banking verification system that we use to safely set up your direct deposit. Click Continue without phone number. Scroll to the bottom of the list of banks. Here you will click on Connect Manually. To proceed, make sure you have your bank's routing and account numbers handy. Enter your routing number. If Plaid finds a match for your routing number to a bank institution, you can select it from the list to finalize. Otherwise, click Enter Account Number instead and enter your account number. Enter your full name as it appears on your account and click Continue. Select the account you want to connect for your direct deposit. Please take a moment to review the Plaid authorization and click Authorize. This step gives Plaid permission to initiate micro deposits into your provided account. Don't worry if you see a credit amount appearing as a separate transaction in your bank account. This is just a temporary measure to confirm your account. Click Continue. Next, review and accept the terms for direct deposit setup. You'll then be prompted to enter a custom bank name. Enter the name and click Save. On the next business day, log back into your MyCast&Crew account. Check your bank transactions and locate the micro deposit that Plaid made. Then, click on Verify Bank. Enter the 3-letter code in the transaction name after the pound symbol and click Continue. After verifying the deposit, your account will be successfully linked for your direct deposit. You'll now see the bank, institution, and active direct deposit accounts reflected in the direct deposit section. You'll have the additional preferences available to change if desired. Click Edit to change them. Take a moment to review your information and make sure everything is correct. Your direct deposit is now on and you can view your direct deposit information in this section. Remember, if you ever need to make changes to your direct deposit configuration, simply click on Edit at any time.